Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have organizational tool, the best to-do list whiteboard for your wall. This magnetic dry erase board set from ZEYIYER is designed to keep you organized and on top of your tasks. Let's explore why it's a game changer for your daily planning. First off, this set includes 4 magnetic dry erase boards, each measuring 12 by 8. They're just the right size to fit on your fridge or any magnetic surface, making them incredibly versatile for home or office use. These boards are crafted from high-quality plastic with strong magnetic backing. They stick securely to your refrigerator without slipping, ensuring your plans stay in place. Using these boards couldn't be simpler. You get 3 colorful markers and an eraser included, making it easy to jot down tasks, reminders, or meal plans. And when things change, simply wipe off with the eraser or rinse with water for a clean slate. The applications are endless. Whether you're planning meals for the week, organizing your work schedule, or even outlining wedding plans, these boards are up to the task. One of the standout features is their versatility. They cater to everyone from busy professionals needing daily schedules to parents juggling family activities. Plus, they're great for students too, helping them stay on top of assignments and deadlines. Compared to other magnetic boards, these stand out for their durability and ease of cleaning. The markers are vibrant and low odor, perfect for frequent use without staining. Now, while we don't dive into specific customer reviews, the general consensus online praises these boards for their value and functionality. They're seen as a practical solution for anyone looking to streamline their day-to-day organization. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your productivity and keep your tasks organized in a stylish and practical way, these magnetic dry erase boards from ZEYIYER are an excellent choice. Check out the link in the description below to get your own set and start organizing your life with ease. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.